Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Welcome to my review of the Sofirn IF24. Here is the light itself. It has a side switch and a rotary switch. It has a main light, right, with a single emitter and a smooth reflector well. This light is a very streamlined 2000 lumen EDC light that is also capable of being used as an area light, and it also has multicolor capability. There you see the pocket clip. That is the charging port cover. It has Type-C recharging. Now the rotary switch on the light will determine what the side switch actually controls. So for example, if you rotate it this way, now the area light is on, right? If you rotate it that way, you get the multicolor lights. And if you rotate it that way, the main light comes on. Right, if you rotate it one more, it will be in locked position. Here are some of the stats on the light. So the maximum lumens 2000, the maximum beam distance 251 meters, and you can see some of the run times there as well. Now this also has a side light, which is an area light, and the max lumens for that 550. This light is powered by a single 18650 battery. It came with that battery, and to access it, you just unscrew that tail cap you see there. That battery can be recharged in the light by connecting it to any USB power source. This is a power bank using that cable. That is a Type-C charging port right there. There is a red indicator light when it is recharging, and that will turn green when it is fully recharged. Here is a diagram showing the operation of the main light. Right, you can freeze that or pause that. And here's a diagram showing the operation of the side light and the side colored lights as well. Operation of the main light. To turn it on, press the side switch. To turn it off, press the side switch. Once it is on, if you long press, it will cycle through low, medium, and high. Let's do that now. If you double tap the side switch, it will first shortcut to turbo. Subsequent double taps will bring you to strobe, SOS, and beacon. So let's demonstrate all that now. And warning, this is going to flash, okay? Turbo, strobe, SOS, and beacon. Now in main light mode, if the light is turned off, you can shortcut to a ultra low mode with a long press. All right, so that's ultra low. To turn on the area light, press the switch. To turn it off, press the switch. Once it is on, you can cycle through brightness levels with a long press. You can shortcut to turbo with double tap. Subsequent double taps will go through all the special flashing modes: strobe, SOS, and locator beacon. Now from off, if you long press, you will get to an ultra low mode. I don't know if you can see that, but that is an ultra low reading mode. Now this light has a magnetic base, Spyderco Delca stainless steel handle. Alright, so it's got a magnetic base. Now in the multicolor mode, to turn it off, press that. To turn it on, press that. If you press and hold, it will cycle through all the different colors that it is capable of. Alright, so as you can see, it's going through the spectrum. I'll just let you see that. Now it is raining right now. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but luckily I did all the outside testing earlier in the week. Alright, so as you can see, this goes through red, orange, green, blue, pink, purple. Double taps will cycle through 5 different special effects modes, right? So let's do that. Let's find a good one. Alright, that's a pretty nice one. That's one of the special effects. Wow. There's another one. And not only is it doing the droplet motion, but it's also cycling through the different colors in its spectrum as well. Wow. That's pretty cool. Here is the instruction diagram showing that, right? So change colors or the special effects, which they're calling police flash, rainbow, waterfall, droplets, or neon fade. Okay, here's the main light on the demonstration board, starting in the low mode. Cycle through. Alright, that's a high mode. Let's go turbo. Nice, so that's pretty respectable. Alright, now let me show you the ultra low mode. Alright, that is ultra low. And let's go back to turbo. Wow. Alright, so that's the main light. Now this is the side light on the demonstration board. Alright, so let's cycle through. Alright, so that's the high mode with the side light. And that is turbo with the side light. Nice. Alright, let's do the ultra low mode. That is ultra low. And back to turbo with the side light. Alright, so that's interesting. So, you know, we got purple, blue, red, pink, orange, green. Alright, all different colors. It's a pretty nice night out. Hope you're all doing well. I don't know if you can hear that screaming in the background. That's actually a fox. Alright, YouTube, we're out on the road with this Sofirn light. Let's crank it up. Alright, that's turbo. Let's see what we can see. Oh. Now there's no street lights on this road, okay, so I'm just going to walk around and pan it around. What would you see? Oh, you hear that? You hear those frogs? Yes, we are near Frog Creek. Well, alright, my YouTube friends, we are overlooking the creek. Let's go turbo. See what we can see. Ah, yes. Now, you see the water down there? Nice. Alright, let's just pan it around. The opposite bank. Up to the treetops. Yeah, it's a beautiful night. It was really hot and humid during the day, but it's very pleasant right now. Alright, so this light is doing well. Yeah, I'm liking it. Okay, here's the top view of the area light, right, the side panel light. Nice. Alright, so gives you a nice wide area to work with. Yeah, I gotta say, that would be very useful if your vehicle broke down and you needed to do some repairs. This is the police one, that's what they call it. Oh man. Now where I live, it's actually illegal to do this from a vehicle, okay? So if I was in my vehicle, that'd be breaking the law. But it's not illegal to do it where I live if you're just on foot. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Alright, my YouTube friends, we are at the sports field. I'm standing in one goal. Now this is not meant as necessarily an epic thrower, but just for completeness sake, here we are. Alright, let me try and cross this field. Okay. There we go. Now one thing you should know, the human eye is a lot better than a camcorder in low light conditions. So I can actually clearly see that goal, but I don't know how much the camcorder is depicting it. But there it is, for anybody that was curious about seeing this on a whole sports field. Yeah, you know, I'm sure they put these special modes in mostly just for fun, just because they could. And hey, life's too short, right? I appreciate that. As a flashlight enthusiast, that's something new and different. And we didn't have this, you know, when I was a kid, man. We just had incandescent bulbs. We didn't have any of this neat stuff, any of these neat toys. Alright, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed that. Wow, I was playing with this for so long that the night has turned into early morning. If you hear the birds, yep, them's birds. So final conclusions on this. Well, the current price of this right now, if you include the coupon that's on the listing, is about $43. Is that a reasonable price for this? Absolutely, this is a remarkable value, and I'll tell you why. I've seen lights that they have around the same brightness and around the same range as this, but they don't have any of the special features, and those other lights are actually like twice the price of this. Alright, so, I mean, this is a very nice, sleek, everyday carry light, 2000 lumens. but you can also use it as an area light, and all the special effects and multicolor, that's just a bonus. That's just a bonus. Like I said, there's lights that are twice the price that don't have any of the extra special features that this does, right? So I would say this is a remarkable value. I appreciate this as a flashlight enthusiast, someone that loves this type of stuff. A pure flashlight nerd, no apologies for that. So yeah, this is a good value these days. I mean, $43, that's a steal. Well, alright YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like flashlight reviews, as well as folding knives, fixed blade knives, machetes, axes, tomahawks, air guns, and all the stuff like that. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Flashlights. I'm out.